Folks, we are in the middle of a 3-month-long journey taking us from California to Littleton to Alabama and on into Florida, where we were attempting to find a new home. And guess what? We did find a new home, but we're not to that part in the story yet. Nope, we have very recently been to a family reunion where we had lots of fun, and now we are heading back in to Disneyland Park. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Expedition Disney. We have traveled from Littleton, Colorado, our current home, all the way out to Anaheim, California.
Go over towards Stroll Cruise Pirates. Yeah, we didn't do any of that yesterday, so whenever we were here. Go to the left, go towards Stroll Cruise Pirates. Okay, that kind of side.
Once again, we are up early and off to Disneyland, this time with Grammy in tow.
Who is that?
Mickey Mouse. Is he watching the thing that goes round and round?
So this is the Starbucks Seriously Strawberry Frappuccino. We had one the other day at the Citadel Mall when we went out on our little family reunion excursion. But I swear, because it was made at Disney, it tastes so much better. There's the fire truck, there's the mailbox, and that, the market house, is where the Starbucks is here at Disneyland. Coffee cozy? Yeah, I'll go grab one.
After enjoying our beverages, we have a chance encounter with Mary Poppins, and then head for a ride that quickly becomes one of Kaysen's favorites, the Jungle Cruise.
We're getting on the Jungle Cruise, but I stopped to take an establishing shot and they escaped. Well, there they are. They didn't get far.
Ride a boat.
From a 1930s British explorer's lounge, guests board a replica tramp steamer and embark on an adventure down several major rivers of Asia, Africa, and South America, led by a live cast member who provides humorous narration. And our little guy loved every minute of it.
That way. That way. He liked it so much we decided to get on it again. Hang on.
As we do head into the jungle, as a reminder, remain seated, keeping. They all have their cups on. We're gonna make
A ride he did not like as much was the classic Pirates of the Caribbean. A dark ride with 2 decent drops. It's not hard to imagine why he didn't care for it.
Did you like that ride? What do you say?
What did you like? You like the boat?
Adventure on the high seas has whet our appetites, and since we're in New Orleans Square, we decide to stop for beignets.
We're gonna try some Mickey-shaped beignets. Someone is so excited about it.
Don't blow on it. Have you ridden the train?
No, he wants to do that.
Mason, do you see the train?
Beignets are deep-fried nuggets of sweetened dough drowned in powdered sugar, and the ones here at Disneyland Park are definitely drowned in powdered sugar.
Yes or no?
Kaysen stole Mimi's mint julep. Katie is covered in powdered sugar.
Minor details.
Fun times in New Orleans Square. Oh Lord, my turn.
Yeah, see how easy it is. Come on. Right? You do good until you recoil.
Following the beignets, we sail over to Tom Sawyer Island to run off the sugary pastry.
We got over to the island and he immediately pitched a big fit because he wanted Daddy to hold him. When Daddy wouldn't hold him, he wanted Mommy to hold him. We didn't want to hold him because we wanted him to run around and have fun like he's currently doing. Tried to get him to have fun. He kept crying, pitching fits. We finally just sat him down. Said, all right, throw your fit. Do what you got to do. And now, can't get him to leave. He actually ran through one of the caves. Of course, he fussed through the darkest part of it, but he kept going back in.
And then it's back ashore for more snacks.
Once you get to the filling, oh my gosh. That's what I've heard.
A boat ride? Does Kason like this boat ride?
Is this a fun boat ride?
Does Kason want to get on there? Here, go get a picture with Mimi.
Next, we're back for another run on It's a Small World before heading over to Star Wars Launch Bay to attempt to see Kason's pal, Ray.
Star Wars?
He's like,
Wait. Kevin, Brian, Jeremy, Justin, anyone else out there? He's a Star Wars kid. Definitely a Star Wars kid.
Oh, look at you, the cuddlist. Definitely cuddlist. Yeah.
He likes to cuddle.
Have you met Chewbacca yet? Because he also is quite a fan of hugs.
No.
Maybe not quite yet.
We met Chewie when we were 8 months old. Now we don't want to see him.
Fair enough. We're about the size of an Ewok, so I think
Yeah.
we just get a little bit taller.
Yes,
Yeah.
Chewie is very gentle.
Yeah.
Do you want Mom and Dad to come have a picture with Ray? Hey, sit your Mom and Dad. Come down.
Peanut.
Right here, thank you.
Okay.
Maybe what's some pictures.
Kason.
Kason, kiss hand.
Kiss your hand.
Kiss Ray's hand.
Oh, you kissed your hand. Good job, Heather.
That moment when your child reaches up and grabs Ray by the cheek and tries to pull her in for a kiss. Oh my gosh. We have our hands full with this child. Kason has done so well with face characters like Ray and Mary Poppins. Now we're thinking tomorrow morning when we come back over here, we may run in and go see the princesses, Ariel and Belle, and I think last time we were here was Ariel, Belle, and Pocahontas. So we'll see what kind of cute adorableness happens there.
We've got a big day ahead of us tomorrow with the family reunion continuing, so it's time to call it a night and head back.
Sorry. Hi, train. Yeah, we do. We showed up early to come see princesses for Kason. Katie asked me if I thought we were crazy for doing that. I initially told her no. Now I'm not sure.
For our 5th Disney day now, we arrive very early. The crowds have increased dramatically this morning, but we are determined to take Kason to see if he responds as well to princesses as he does to Ray.
Can Daddy have your water?
Are you Dash today?
Thank you.
Does that mean you have powers like Dash does? You're doing pretty well then.
Be careful, Ariel. He tried to smooch Ray the other day.
he's a lover.
Here he goes. He's going in.
You like the
Like the baby elephant.
Like the chunks, now they blow water.
Can you do Eskimo kisses with the nose? Oh.
Have fun out there, Lauren.
Definitely.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Are you wearing Dash on your shirt? Are you super fast like he is? You are. Oh my goodness.
Oh.
You're so sweet.
Is that your nose?
Where are your eyes?
Oh, your Eskimo kisses. Your Eskimo kisses. Major. You're a lover, kid.
Sweet.
You're so in trouble.
Major trouble.
Where did you learn this from?
You're gonna go have lots of fun.
Okay, so we need to share Cinderella with everybody else.
Yeah.
Yeah, one more big hug. Okay, ready?
Yeah. Kason, we have to share Cinderella with everyone else, baby.
Thank you so much.
But hey, maybe we'll go back and see Ray again later.
Ooh, that's a good
We'll
idea.
just come back and see these guys.
Yeah, you want to come back and see them again too?
Go ride Jungle Cruise?
Following that cuteness, the Bitty Boy requests the animal boat. So, we're off to the world-famous Jungle Cruise.
Opening. These are some of the things we expect with some.
That way.
Katie and I decide to stretch our time, and we head back to the princesses once more.
Kason, what's the time? Bye-bye, Ariel.
We've let our child flirt with the princesses as long as we can. We have to leave the park to make it to the family reunion breakfast over at Grand Californian. Proctor family reunion refuses to end with a simple character breakfast. So we end up wandering around downtown Disney to allow time for further fellowship and eventual goodbyes.
Kason, where are we?
But once the hugs and kisses are done with, Katie, Case, and I are heading back to finish our last day at Disneyland. And of course, on our last day, we had to return to our favorite Mexican restaurant, following which we head back out to see the parade again. And following that, we're back to It's a Small World one last time for the Bitty Boy. And since we're talking about doing things one more time, we decided to head back to see Ray one more time to see if we could capture the magic again.
Watch out, he may go in for the smooch. Picture. Look at mommy.
Bye-bye castle. Do you love Disneyland?
I like castle.
You like the castle? Yeah? Did you have lots of fun here? Okay, tell the castle. Yeah, you like this place?
You want to come back someday?
How about you?
Yeah, come back to Disney another time. Yeah? To visit people again?
Bye.
You're welcome, Lovey.
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Daddy, too. What?
More Ray.
No, Ray went night-nights already.
More Ray.
She already went night-nights, my love.
More Ray.
I'm sorry when you saw her.
Puppy.
There was a puppy.
Always bittersweet leaving. On one hand, we've been here and it's been crazy and we've been chasing a toddler around for a week. On the other hand, it's freaking Disneyland. It's magical. And Kason had a blast. Today we did nothing but all the things that he decided over the last 4 days here that he liked. So Jungle Cruise, We visited Princesses, we rode Small World, we had some Mexican food, and we went and saw Ray for the final of 3 times. I'm glad I caught everything on film and I'm also glad that I lived in the moment for some of it and didn't catch it on film. Because I want to remember it, both in my mind and caught on film for us to enjoy for years to come. Now I'm trying just not to get lost in this sea of people while I'm being emotional about leaving Disneyland.
Folks, it has been a wonderful trip, and we're so excited that we got to come. But looming on the horizon is a daunting adventure, one that will take us from Littleton, Colorado, to Millerville, Alabama, and on down to Orlando, Florida. Stay tuned, folks. There's more of this adventure to come.